Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the vault and window behavior so you can work fast. Open your vault, then enable the pane mode you prefer, sliding panes or pinned panes, for consistent placement. Once done, create a new note and drag it into a pane. This immediately gives you a focused window. You do this now because consistent pane settings prevent distraction later. Make sure to name the pane or pin it. That keeps the note available as you open others. Next, build the work layout that supports your tasks. Split panes based on task, editing on the left, references on the right, and smaller preview below if needed. Once split, drag tabs to reorder or duplicate a note so you can edit in one pane and view a rendered preview in another. Use internal links and open backlinks in adjacent panes for instant context. This saves time when cross-referencing. Make sure to resize panes to prioritize the active task visually. Finally, lock in your environment so every session starts the same way. Save the current workspace or enable the Workspace plugin to persist pane layout and open notes. Once saved, pin or lock critical panes so accidental clicks do not close them. If something goes wrong, panes disappear or notes fail to open, first check for plugin conflicts, reload the app, and then restore the saved workspace. That sequence fixes most issues quickly and gets you back to productive windowed note-taking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.